he chose the course, and you said it that why did you go for a course?
I didn't say that. I didn't say why did you go for a course. I said that
but why can't we see that thing as his strength also?
You can.
As his strength also, that
Absolutely.
despite his stamina, he chose a course where.
So don't get me wrong. I'm just telling you about the organization, and that's the reality outside this room, right?
Yes,
You know, that's the reality. But do we have exceptions? We do, right? But do we have too many exceptions? No, we don't. So take your pick. I'm not here to discourage you.
No,
I'm just saying that see what is in your best interest. Because at the end of the day, to make a living is also important. I'm not trying to say that you have to run away from the situation, but that's a fair discussion to have. So I'm saying don't run away from the situation, face it. But then also keep in mind the reality outside. Are we that sensitive like a US organization? No, we are not in India, unfortunately. If you go in US, I'm telling you, you will get a job irrespective of wherever you are. Because the organizations are sensitive. But in India, you're still not reached that stage.
I think I just add one line which might help to conclude this very interesting session, which is there are no right and wrongs outside in the world. There are only opinions. And whichever opinion you want to stake your money at, you are welcome to do that. As Americans say, put your mouth where your money is.
Absolutely.
If you've got the courage, then stick to your opinion. If you don't have the courage, then try to learn from others. So there are no right and wrong course of action. It's simply, there are many opinions. Whichever opinion you feel comfortable with,
But I thought that we are concluding this session by saying, okay, just choose whatever you feel like, just do not put yourself out of the comfort zone.
And then we are only with one thing, that is only the bottom line for us for this national conference. By finding a job, sticking to a job, changing a job, all that is your personal choices. If somebody has got the guts, they will change many jobs. Here, right in this very room, there are many people, in spite of me, not one job, many jobs. I also changed many jobs. I never used to work in a hospital more than 1.5 or 2 years. And interestingly enough, I used to get a job also. Through interview. So it's entirely up to us. If you are willing to pay the price of our choices, then who can stop us? He can't stop us. If you are willing to take off from a jet plane with a parachute, he can't stop us. He can only talk about possibilities.
As I said in the beginning, I'm just telling you what the world is outside.
That's right. Opinions are there. So you have to choose how you want to take. What Dr. Mahapatra said also is fine. That's also the opinion. But he's sharing also his opinion. So there's a nice English saying which says, fools argue, wise men discuss. So wise men are only discussing different positions which we can take if we have got the guts or if we have got that kind of temperament, then we can go and do that.
So let's give a big round of applause.
And now can we have a group photograph right here?
Outside.
Outside. And after that we'll come back.
No, you can always.
क्या आप हम लोगों के लिए एक फोटोग्राफ खींच देंगे?
Videotaping. Yay, pizza in India and Bhutanese swamp.
और हाथ पैर हिला के भी
Louder.
That's good. Thank you.
Him or heard his name or read his post somewhere on IPWS or Stammer.in or PISA blog, or we have read the post about future Chennai Meeks, or we have read about his analogy of like why acceptance is important and how to implement it and all those things. So it's a great experience for most of us to meet him in person first time, since he is the person who started this whole movement actually. As I was already saying in the morning, he started the group in 2001, and running his SAG is very challenging. And it is not just that he is coordinating a self-help group in Chennai, he is also helping us with a lot of things in TISA. He is a regular donor to a lot of activities in TISA, and he regularly donates a lot of money to TISA, which he doesn't tell anyone, and which a lot of people are not aware about. There are times when he and a few members of Chennai group have single-handedly sponsored the whole event. Like they are doing it in Chennai. They are renting a room in YMCA every month, and they are all doing it out of their pocket. And then they are organizing communication workshops also, and that also they are doing out of their own pocket. And the most humbling and impressive thing is that he doesn't tell anyone about this. Like you won't find him like me or Dr. Sachin. Whenever we do something, we go on blog and we write. Last night I did this. Tomorrow I'm going to do this. I found it perfect last. Yes. And then send that link to all my friends. Please check this. So a lot of us actually don't know how much he has helped us and to TISA. So let's give a big round of applause. And I would also like to take this opportunity before he starts to say thank you from all of us. A lot of time we don't stop and say thank you to a lot of people who have helped us so much. Thank you, sir.
At the 52, I still after joining TISA, I still traveling. And I feel, what's the point in joining TISA? Still I'm traveling. Okay, I just try to get just like you. And I go on with separate group. In 52 to 53, still I am traveling. But I don't mind stammering at the age of 53. So I feel now I am traveling comfortably. Though I got some shame, still I just don't want to lie. Maybe more than 95% shame that gone away. So I just don't mind. I just don't mind talking about traveling to others also. Then I read one website article. The self-help group coordinator asked stammer. Suppose if you work on stammering, then no one will come for the self-help group because of the shame. Okay, I just stopped. Okay, let me stammer. Then let me help for others. So this is advantage of this. You have to come every month or every week regularly, at least for a few years. Now my age is 54. It took me 53 years to want come, and continuously at least for a few years. Don't expect any result within a month or within a few months. It will take years. So it is my advice.
Okay, clear now, clear now.
Not our family, other. Suppose if we talk about height and weight. Now I can say I am 6 feet. I am 6 feet. It is my achievement. It is my achievement. No. This maybe God's grace. Suppose I am 4 feet. Can I say I am 4 feet? I can or I cannot. Because it is only a comparison. 6 feet, fine, 5 and all. Okay, 5, okay, 4. But for them, they are not having any shame. Maybe some anger, disappointment, it is not their control. So I think that's what I just want to say. Others blind, deaf, dumb, I think they will accept it because they know blind can't see. Okay, let us go and see blind. Deaf cannot hear. Then that other leg, hand and that, they will say, they know it is not their fault. So I think there is no shame. There is no shame for them. Now come to our next. So coming to our past summary, we will have tough shame and fear of no fault of us. So that we were just telling us. Then there is some wrong perception of understanding. Speak slowly will increase our standing. Less will reduce. But we cannot speak in all the it is a comfort zone. We can speak, we can prolong our perspective, whatever you want. But when you go out, you cannot speak. So it is a might is working, but it is not possible. Because typically it is a natural tendency to react at the same speed. But tell you, what's your name? Who tell you, well, we understand, no, my name is my mind. You cannot speak that. It is a natural tendency for everyone to react at the same speed. Then, repeatedly will calm our mind. Yes, he will calm our mind. But it will help to somehow works only. If we maintain the mind, it will be helpful up to time or down. So you cannot go on maintaining every 3 hours. So we are not saying like factors. He is living in his Himalayas. He can measure forward. But I am living in Chennai, one of the nicest cities in India. So I cannot maintain.
But even I have to deal with 2 dogs who disturb my meditation with their barking.
Because money, if you want, you can go to it, but it is not practically, you cannot do it every day. That's it, that's what I want. They are weird, food, stupid, not even they are properly. He is right or is both right and wrong. Right on the point of view. Or they are not even telling their name. How is he going to do the job? It is wrong from our point of view. So you have to accept this also. This is not a part of us. It is accepted. So their point of view is right. Because they just don't know what is common. We are not attached to everyone's identities. So a name, some phone number, some father name. Whenever you want to tell that special thing, we use this one. So you understand this is a perfect understanding. Accept this also. Yeah, they are just intelligent. I think you say no. But I say no and yes. No from their point of view, yes from our point of view. So they have to give some time for others. How wrong lies and the perception about family yes. Purely lack of awareness. Because no one knows what is exactly family is. For both ours and others. I think here also we don't, I think no one knows exactly what is family. Then how can I just come to know what's family? Why lack of awareness? Because of the complexity of nature of family, the cause could not be discovered in a birth. You cannot find a cause, okay, this is for family cause. It cannot be done. So our duty is not only accept our family, but also understand our family. First let us understand about what is family first. Then we can tell to others. Why acceptance? Suppose I want to explain in energy part of level, negative level. Suppose I myself and the second both are engineering graduate, same mark. I am scored same mark. I stand he does sense standard. When we go into what I will do is I will waste some of my energy for not invading my family. There is some 20%, 30%. So my concentration is coming only on hiding my family. Whereas 100% is going to use his energy. So he will select home. So it's only searching. Next. So this is the most important slide of this, my presentation. See, you can read it. Acceptance does not mean resignation or military submitting to situation. You just know, okay, I just resign, I cannot do this job, I resign. No, it is not like that. It is simply means looking at something as it is. Okay, that is coming, okay, it's coming. Don't try to think it's a bad, it's coming, okay, let it be coming. Not as good or as bad, but as a reality that needs to be held together. Okay, we have to something to control our family. I think that's very asked. I think Agabata has overcome his family. Why can't we? It's a good question. But from my experience, I know more than 200 families. I only give 4 or 5, though not completely, almost they have overcome. So one in 100 only they can overcome. But you just can't try. You can try to achieve. You also achieve this is in our mind. There is no shortcut to overcome to the sun overnight. We have to develop an attitude of acceptance. Okay, I am somewhere. First, then don't work as I keep it. Don't think. First, okay, I am somewhere. Then, what is work? Okay, stammer. Okay, stammer. There is a divine option. There is a divine option. Divine means you can just modify it. You can control your family. Most of the stammering the shallow, most of them are very shallow. We can control it. Because normal person breathe about 15 times a minute. For stammer, we used to breathe about more than 20-25 times per minute. So we can try to control it. But being a natural data analyst, you cannot work control it for certain time now. Cannot work from for your lifetime. It is just that we should not drain our energy in assessing this situation. What needs to be done, needs to be done. We have to do something. Okay, I accept. Then I have to do something. So acceptance is it is not a big later. Accepting the factor of it as they are. Next. This is management. So we just always want to think of filing our standard. Then how can we concentrate on our professions as a subject? Always what we are able to speak. So our thoughts are always in that line. So we cannot concentrate on our professionals as a subject. This is the lack of acceptance. If I accept it, okay, I am accepting. Now I can do. Because of diverted attention, we are not